Hey, everyone. In today's video, I'm here to answer a common question: why isn't my Google Maps talking? If your guidance audio isn't working, don't worry, I'll walk you through some quick fixes to get it up and running again. Let's dive in. Here's what you can do. 1. Open the Google Maps app and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. 2. Go to Settings and then click on Navigation. Check if your guidance audio is set to mute. If it is, simply switch it to unmute. Make sure the volume is set correctly. If it's on softer, it'll be hard to hear. Choose normal or louder for better sound. 3. If you're connected to a Bluetooth device, ensure that a Play Voice over Bluetooth option is turned on, otherwise, the audio won't play through your device. 4. Don't forget to check your phone's volume level. If it's too low, increase it, it might just solve the problem. 5. Avoid completely closing the Google Maps app. If you remove it from recent apps, the guidance audio may stop working. Keep the app running in the background. 6. Lastly, if nothing works, try restarting your phone. Sometimes a quick reboot fixes everything. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more easy to